techniques. Looks like Romark's going to the outside. You can see them both getting their feet together and shifting from side to side. Romark trying to get an outside angle on it. Once again, if you're wanting to try out Moss Wrestling yourself, you're welcome to come up here and give it a shot. All you gotta do is sign in and just get your name down. The man to talk to is right over there in the white t-shirt with Moss Wrestling USA on it. He's handing around a clip. Championship for the 2017 Moss Wrestling. Really exciting. We're going to get our flag ceremony going on real soon. We've got a lot of countries being represented, and I just went around interviewing all the athletes. We have some really top-notch guys here. We've got Victor Golubovchuk, who's just, you know, awesome athlete. He's been so amazing. He's accomplished so much in Moss Wrestling, and one of his rivals who just beat him from Georgia is also here. So we're maybe going to be able to see some of their, you know, going head-to-head. So he's going to actually be the heaviest, the best competitor I've had. Other than that, it's